Hello traders, I am Stephen Davis, Senior Market Strategist, RJO Futures. Friday morning, here to talk to you about the grain markets. A week from today, March 31st, we get the Planning Intentions Report. Very big report here next Friday. So let's use 90 million acres, 90 million acres of corn, 90 million acres of soybeans in the Planning Intentions Report next week. So above those numbers on corn might be something, and below those numbers might impact the price of corn. So I saw a headline this week, Mexico still dependent on U.S. corn. That's a good headline. We want to keep our neighbor to the south here buying all the U.S. corn that they can. And they love pork and U.S. ham as well. So, and certainly it's a cost advantage to rail the corn in from our great country, USA, down to Mexico. That's a good business decision for them. Our first chart of the day is the corn market here, and you can see this week nothing technically very bullish going on. We've really traded lower here this week. Not a lot of new news as we await planting here in the Midwest. 30 days from now, we should be planting corn in Iowa, so pretty exciting as we move into spring. Okay, the soybean market. Remember last week I mentioned the managed funds, their longest positions are in soybean and cattle. This is the protein that the world wants. So I think it's really, really important for us to move this protein that we have to existing customers around the world and also to developing destinations. So this is protein what the world wants, the middle class of China. I don't know that history's ever had a phenomenon of this nature where the rural people in China moving to the port cities and getting jobs and hence getting more income, more disposable income like us here in USA. They want hamburger and they want steak, and like the US consumer, the China consumer is gonna get what he wants. So our chart here is soybeans this week, again, technically not looking good. We've got good exports, but this South American production and the acreage that's coming on here in North America weighing on the soybean market. Okay, every summer usually corn rallies about 50 cents. July wheat rallies 60 to 80 cents. And in the last 3 years, the soybean market has rallied 50 cents to $1 each growing season. So we'll kind of keep talking about things like that. Okay, the wheat market here, a lot of wheat in the world, not our chart here of wheat. You can see it's down in support here. Egypt, the biggest wheat buyer in the world today, and they've been buying a lot of wheat. Another thing too is the economy in Egypt is very good. So that's good. That gives them buying power to buy our grain. That's good for commodities. That's also good for China. So this is all interrelated here. Egypt, emerging markets doing well. That helps USA and helps China and helps our grains being sold around the world. So everybody have an excellent weekend. Thank you.